back with another video, and today we are riding to a little meet that we saw posted on Instagram. So we're gonna see what's up. I think we're a little late. Started at like 5 or something like that, so a little late, but who goes to a meet that early anyway? So, but yeah, that's what we're doing. We're pulling up, met up with everybody, got everybody behind us right now. Took a little bit to get here, but we finally got here. I don't know how to get there really, but I think we're getting close somewhere. Man, that thing sounds good, man. Oh no! No! Look how I started. I think we're pulling up now to the meet spot, pretty close. We got the Gen 4 ZX10. We got more police. I think I need to tighten my chain a little bit. You can kind of feel it in the quick shifter. When you, so I noticed when I use the quick shifter, and I go to shift, like with the quick shifter, it lags a little bit. What is this route we're taking? We're taking the S1K goes off-roading. What am I, Gsxr, bruh? Alright, so we made it to the meet, and there's a big turnout with all the cars and everything. We got this guy. And we're stopped to get some food at, let's see, what is this place called? Low Snow Monkey Business Food.
Hey guys!
So we're gonna try it out. We got the Philly, so we're gonna try it out, see how it tastes. But yeah, we're gonna try it out, see what happens, because I'm hungry. We got these guys all pulling out with the bikes.
Look, the monkey for you!
What? All right. All right. Relax. I know I'm brown and all, but relax. All right, we're gonna be heading out right now. Oh my! The food though. That snow monkey business truck. Oh my goodness, that Philly was bullshit. If y'all down here in Southwest Florida, y'all gotta go try them out, man. That was bullshit. Yeah, man, we're gonna pull up to the 76 real quick, kind of regroup, and figure out where we're going from there.
What's up, guys? It's like Duke in the building.
And we have made it to the 76. All the bikes here. Got a couple liter bikes, couple La Boo Boo bikes. The H2 right there. Super fast, the fastest bike here. Gotta figure out where we're riding to. Don't know where we're going, but we're gonna figure it out. These people are, I don't know what these people are, but we'll cut to the next video. Alright, so we don't know where we're riding, but we're riding. That's the main thing. And that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all got your Takis, whatever y'all want to eat, and enjoying the video. Up front. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 right, so we all parked up.
Yeah, that
and
Buster's boy.
Oh yeah, Dave and Buster's. And then we got a little spot for the helmets. You know, throw them all in there.
The prelude.
And the prelude, sure.
Yeah. Prelude, the helmet holder.
There you go. We got all the bikes here, so we're good. Our YouTube. So we are gonna call it for today. We're gonna end up riding home, yes sir. And we're all meeting up tomorrow, do some more racing and everything. But yeah, we're gonna end it up here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you all subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, share, interact in some way, shape, or form. And until next time, bye.